Hi there, in this video I wanted to show you how to clean your KASE landscape photography filters, because when you search online for this kind of thing it can be a bit confusing about what steps to follow or what products to use to make sure that you're not going to damage your KASE filters and that they last a long time. And this video also applies to filters from other manufacturers, but you should always check your manufacturer's instructions before cleaning your filters. All right, so let's go and choose a filter. I'll link to these filters in the description as well. I love these because they're color coded and it makes finding the right filter out in the field so much easier. So let's go and grab this red one, which I know is the 10-stop neutral density filter, and we'll go and clean this. Step one is the pre-clean phase, and this is going to involve using an air blower to make sure we get rid of any dirt and dust that's on the filter. And you want to make sure that you're going to blow both sides of this. By the way, this is an awesome blower. I'll link to this in the description as well. It's even got an air filter in, so you're guaranteed that you're not going to suck in dirt and dust and then just blow it right back out onto your filters. The reason that we use an air blower first is that if there's any little tiny bits of sand or grit on this and we just go and start using a cloth straight away, we risk moving that little bit of sand or grit around and scratching the filter, which we definitely don't want. You can then check the filter to make sure there's no little bits of sand or dirt left, and if there is, you can optionally use one of these lens cleaning brushes. I really like this one because it's got a little stopper on the end, which is going to keep the dirt and the dust out of the brush, so you're not going to be using a dirty brush. So what you want to do, if there's any little tiny bits of dirt or dust on this thing, you can super gently just try and brush that off just to dislodge it and loosen it, and then just get rid of it. And a little extra pro tip for you: before you use this brush, give it a little blow with your blower just to make sure there's no dirt in it. So that's the first step, the pre-clean. Step two is the light clean. So if you look at the filter, this is actually pretty clean at the minute, which is good. This next stage is to use a clean microfiber cloth or special lens cleaning cloth. And there's loads of these different microfiber cloths available. Just make sure that it's clean and it's soft and there's no dirt on it and it's suitable for cleaning filters and lenses and camera equipment, because you don't want to clean your filter and be left with lots of little bits of fluff or little bits of material that have come off this cloth. So what you're going to want to do is wipe very gently in a circular motion to clean off any dirt and dust, and normally going to want to do this for both sides of the filter. As well as these microfiber cloths, and some of these you can actually wash, you can also grab something like these lens cleaning cloths, which I'll link to in the description. And these are sealed, so these are vacuum packed, so you're guaranteed when you open this thing that you're not going to get any dirt or dust on this lens cleaning cloth when you use it. Okay, on to step three, and that's the deep clean. If after step 1 and 2 you've still got smudges, maybe little bits of oil or difficult to remove fingerprints, you might have to go and use some filter cleaning fluid. Now, one super important thing is that KASE themselves say to try and use an alcohol-free cleaning fluid. A lot of the cleaning fluids that you'll see online actually contain alcohol. Some of them have got 50, 60, 70% alcohol, and you don't want to risk damaging the coatings on your filters just for cleaning them. Cleaning them is supposed to make them better, not damage them. So you're going to want to get yourself some alcohol-free cleaning spray, and there's a few different options you can find online. Link to these in the description as well. This is a bigger bottle, so you might want to carry this in your camera bag. And this is another alcohol-free option. It comes with this smaller bottle, and then you can refill it when you're at home and just take out this smaller bottle out into the field with you. There's another option which I'll show you in just a second, and it's really important when you're using a lens cleaning fluid, you're going to want to spray the fluid onto the cloth, not directly onto the lens, and then once the cloth has fluid on it, then once again work in small circles and clean the filter. If you don't want to carry around little bottles of liquid in your camera bag, you can also check out these Night Claw lens cleaning wipes. These are pre-moistened with cleaning fluid, and it's an alcohol-free cleaning fluid. And these things are tiny, they take up no weight in your bag, and it means you don't have to faff around spraying liquid onto a cloth and then wiping. You can simply rip open one of these and get on with the cleaning job. Please subscribe, I'd really appreciate that, and I wish you happy landscapes.